In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics tracking code on your website. We'll use the manual installation method, which means pasting a small JavaScript snippet directly into your site's code. This is perfect for custom-built sites, and it works well on platforms where you can edit your theme or header file. Start in Google Analytics. From the main report snapshot, open the admin area. In admin, go to Data Streams and choose your web data stream, the one associated with your website. If you see a tile showing activity like receiving traffic in the past 48 hours, that's the stream you want. Click it to open the details. In the stream details, select View Tag Instructions. Choose Install Manually. You'll see the Google Tag Code block. Use the copy function on the highlighted block to grab the entire snippet. Don't trim it, copy everything exactly as provided, since it includes the loader and the initialization with your measurement ID. Now switch to your website's code or theme editor. You're looking for the main layout or header file that controls the head section across your pages. On many platforms, this might be called something like ThemeLiquid, header.php, or a layout file that includes a head partial. Open that file, find the opening head tag, and paste the Google tag immediately after it. Placing it right after the opening head tag ensures it loads early and consistently. If your site uses a global header include, you only need to paste it once there. If not, you'll need to add it to every page template so the tag is present across your site. Avoid putting the tag in the body or footer unless your platform specifically requires it, and be careful not to install it twice. If you already use a tag manager for analytics, stick with one method to prevent duplicate hits. Save your changes. If your editor shows a Save button, click it. If there's a secondary confirmation, like a Save or Publish prompt, confirm that as well so your changes go live. Some platforms cache files, so give it a moment for the update to propagate. That's it. You've located your Google tag, copied it using the manual instructions, and placed it in the correct spot in your site's header. From here, Analytics will start receiving data. Keep in mind it can take a short time for new tags to appear active, and ad blockers may suppress some visits. Always follow your local consent and privacy requirements when running analytics. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to start collecting insights from your site.